Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Just want to quickly talk with you guys about something. I know my upload schedule has been really wonky and not consistent, and I'm trying to get better with it. Work's been kind of crazy. The kids are back to school. I just need to find a system that works better. So I'm gonna figure that out and get you guys at least 2 videos a week. I don't know if I can commit to the 3 videos a week, but I feel bad because I haven't been consistent, and that bums me out because I'm trying, I want to be more consistent. So I just wanted to kind of put that out there. I'm gonna sort everything out and get a better upload schedule. Today's video, I'm gonna just try on some new makeup that I ordered. I thought this would be a fun idea. Usually I review one particular product at a time, but because I feel like I'm a little backlogged or whatever, I'm just going to play with some stuff that I ordered. There's going to be some stuff that I've used before and some stuff that's kind of new to me, or yeah. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. My hair is a little bit crazy today. I attempted to do heatless curls last night, and my hair was too wet. It did not hold, and then I did it again, and I just have this poofy mess going on. Alright, I'm going to prep my skin with something that I did purchase myself. It's Augustinus Badar. I believe it's Augustinus Badar. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. And this is a face oil. This is very pricey. I suggest if you want to try this particular line, you get the starter kit at Sephora. I think that might be better priced. I got a discount on this because my job gets a discount with it. So, but this little guy is about $90. So I paid $45 for oil, which I think is crazy, but it is good. And a little bit goes a long way. I'm not saying you have to go out and buy it, but it actually is pretty good. If you are an oil person, if you have sensitive skin, you may like it. I like it because a little bit goes a long way. I try to use it at night mainly, but my skin's a little dry right now. It makes your skin very soft, and I don't know the science behind it, if I'm being honest. I know it's it says here the face oil with TFC8. I believe he created this particular formula for it, and that's his, I want to say his patent or something, or it's his formula. So it does feel nice. It kind of reminds me of the Loose beauty oil, that same. It's rich, and when you put it in, your skin really absorbs it. So for foundation, nothing new. But I actually want to put on, where is it? Oh, I want to use my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. I am in shade 6N. So I'm going to take that. Hopefully this matches me right now. I do have a tan. I'm just going to take it. I'm going to warm it up on the back of my hand, and I'm going to start in the center of my face and just work my way out. Wow, this is a perfect match for me right now, which is amazing. The reason I wanted to use this foundation in particular is because I do have the concealer that I'm going to tell you right now it's not the right shade, and I'm intending on returning it. I just need to send it back to Charlotte Tilbury. The concealer is about $30 or $35. I think it's $35. So it is pricey, and I kind of want to play with the formula and kind of see what it is. I did try it a couple of weeks ago when I got it, but because it didn't, the shade didn't match me, I was kind of maybe not. So foundation is a perfect match for me. So, all right, I got this foundation. I got the concealer in shade 6.5 medium. And what bugged me about this particular thing is that I ordered it, and the model on the website, I should have known, she obviously had a lot of makeup on, and she had like bronzer and everything. She looked more tan. So I'm like, oh, this should work. Oh, and if, like, for example, I'm 6N in this is like 2 different colors. So don't think that if you're a particular shade in the foundation that you have to get that same number for the concealer, because I can tell you right now, that's not the case. So anyway, the model I thought kind of looked like somewhat like my skin tone, and I didn't mind being a little bit brighter underneath, but this is light. So I'm going to put some on the back of my hand and apply it under my eyes. But I do want to see what the formula is like. It kind of reminds me of a sort of like a cream gel that does look pretty full coverage. I don't know, maybe it'll work on me now actually, because I did lose some of my summer color. Some, not a lot. I'm going to take this and I'm going to tap it under my eyes. I always apply my concealer like this, and then like sometimes I'll follow up with a brush. I'll see how it kind of works. Maybe I will keep it. Look at that, guys. There's a reason it took so long to return it, because I probably will end up keeping it. Definitely brightens up the under eye. It sits nice on top of my skin too. Wow. Okay. Kind of like that. I'm just gonna blend out with this Makeup Forever stippling brush. Honestly, it's what's kind of close to me right now. That's actually not bad. I need a mirror that I can see myself better in. Let's see. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. I definitely think I might actually keep this one now, because I'm only going to get lighter at this point, and I think it matches me pretty well. Alright, I don't see that it's sitting like really in the lines. It kind of reminds me of the Rose Ink concealer, like the way it looks and kind of feels. It's very lightweight, and I can definitely see it's instantly brightened up my under eyes. So that's really nice. Another product that I want to try that I ordered. Have you guys ever heard of the brand Make? It was out for a while, and then they kind of like shut down and then relaunched. So I got their blushes. I'm going to try one today. It's called Inflamed, and I think it's like an orangey one. This packaging is like so sleek. Oh my god, look how pretty. So the bottom is like a gold, like a pale gold, and the top is a silver, so it's a really cool contrast. So I'm like looking at the concealer, it actually does look really nice. Look at this orange. How beautiful is this? All right. I'm gonna smile. So it's like a cream gel, like a gel blush, I would say. Let me actually apply it this way. Super pretty. I love like orange blushes too. I just think they're really nice, and they kind of like, I don't know, brighten up the face. I don't know why I'm aggressively like patting my face. What is wrong with me? How are you guys doing? How is life treating you? See, that's bright. I need to blend this out with my stippling brush. Alright, so you can get a decent amount of buildup with this color. I'm just blending it out because I don't want to look like I'm orange. I just want to look like I'm glowing. And that's the fun thing about an orange blush, is that it does give that like you're glowing from within kind of color, like almost like you're flushed. I'm just going to take whatever's left over in my hands and just blend it on my forehead, just so everything's kind of like, I like that. Definitely buildable. That's cool. And something else I got that I really want to play with. I want to line my eyes. I'm dying for like a really good black eyeliner. I picked up this one from Danessa. It is the Colorfix Blackout. It's a matte color. So I'm going to use a brush that I haven't used yet, that I've had for some time as well. And it's from my Spectrum Katie Jane Hughes collab. This is the number 22. So it's like this like really pointy, thin liner. So we're going to do that. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. Or the palm of my hand. It's really nice. Look. Look at that black. Can you guys see that? The camera's like focusing on my face. Really pretty. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to load it up on the brush. Get a nice little point. And I'm going to just line my eyes. Wow, that is a really beautiful, like, black liner. Alright, I'm just going to wing it out a bit. Going over that fold, because I have a bit of a hooded eye. When I look down, it's like, it doesn't always perfectly connect, and that's the whole point with the hooded eye. So same thing with this eye. I forgot which eye is, I think this eye is more hooded than this one, so the liner is not going to be the same, but alright. What do you guys think? I think it looks nice. That eyeliner is very black. It is a true matte black color. I wonder if I have any highlighter to show you guys. Oh, I do have a highlighter. This is from a brand called Cheekbone. I found it on Instagram. And it is created by a woman. Her name is, I think, Jen Harper. And it's sustainable beauty, and she is an indigenous woman. She's gorgeous, beautiful cheekbones. Go follow them on Instagram. I'm gonna take, this is the highlighter. It's called Gold, but it's called, wait, I thought it was like Goldenrod or something. Yeah, oh my god, I can't see this. Goldenrod Illuminator. That's what it looks like. It kind of, there, let me put it this way. It's really beautiful and just like reflective. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna pop that on my cheeks. You know, I love a good highlighter. How pretty is this? Just makes my cheek look nice and dewy and juicy and all that good stuff. Actually need to add more on the other side. I'm gonna take this and gonna take that down the bridge of my nose and kind of blend that out and pop it right up here in my brow bone. Super pretty, super easy. Got blush, got liner, mascara is already on. Overall thoughts, I think the concealer is actually really nice. I am going to end up keeping it because when I tried it a couple of weeks ago, I was more tan and it just was not looking good. But I think this looks good. Now, the Danessa Blackout liner is really pretty easy to use. It's very matte, which I like. And the blush is beautiful. I'll definitely make a video and I'll kind of review that on its own, but I just wanted to hop on here, do makeup with you guys. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you in my next one.